How to learn Python in DataCamp. Do you guys want to learn Python? If that's so, then DataCamp might be the best website for you to learn. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open browser in your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the browser, search for DataCamp website. As soon as you enter the DataCamp website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to create an account, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you enter the dashboard, look at the top right corner of your screen where you will be able to see the search bar. Just simply click on search bar and search for Python. After you search for Python, you will be able to view courses related to Python, introduction to Python, intermediate Python, and many other courses. Just simply select the one according to preference. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna learn Python on DataCamp. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.